the opportunities in Goa are shrinking. How many of you will be employed in Goa? I know the statistics from the Goa Engineering College. For the total engineering population of Goa is possibly 1,000. I'm told maybe 50 people get employed in Goa. Maybe 200 people will get employed somewhere else. But more than 500 will remain unemployed. Is that what education is all about? Is that have we failed in creating business opportunities so people will be employed? Now that is a very serious topic. And if I were to say that the failure of the government to provide an atmosphere to do business, and therefore the ease of doing business is at its lowest ebb, I am in trouble. But it was creating more and more wealth. The central government and the local government were getting 3,000 crores a year from that activity. At least the interest plus some salaries of the Goa government could have been paid. So why was it stopped? Ease of doing business in that sector was brought from, I would say, 1950s it was 100 if I may put an index. Post 62 it was 50, and 2012 it became 0.
And Fomento actually gives us an in-view of like what's going on actually in the industry, what we learn.
Well, all these talks over here, which are done by our special faculties, are very profitable for us, especially as young entrepreneurs in the whole new life.
This is something that is, giving us exposure into the new, the whole corporate world, how it has been before